So in today's lecture I will show you the three ways how to extract part from Shapefile. So the first method we have the tools called selected feature. So the tool in here is for select features. For example, you need to select all the part from your shapefile, not all the part. You double click, you highlight it. So if you miss just clicking by mistake, you can cancel that by use the clear selection, and you can back again, use the select by polygon, double click on this, and then you highlight. I need this part to highlight. After that, you have to go for data, from data, export data. In here you have to be careful because if I need to save extracted output in here in my desktop, and I just create a new folder on my desktop. If I give him just save, he'll give me this error because he considers the shapefile as a geodatabase. If you don't know what geodatabase, just back to the previous video. So I have to save it within geodatabase. I call him exported output, give him save, and then OK. Do you want to say extracted? Yes. Now you can see I just extract the part that I need to work on, not all the part of Iraq. Okay. So for example, if we go now to the open attribute table, that's why he saved on the geodatabase, because he have the shape length and the shape area. So we have, this is the area, and we have the shape length. If I need to add another field, you go for table and you go for add field. So I mean, it's like add the name. I need to add the name of this province. It's supposed to be the type of text. Okay, so we have name is added to our table, but it's not editable until you start edit feature, start editing. After start editing, now is editable. I can just write this is Basra. This is the province name is called Basra. After you finish, back to the edit, give him stop editing. You want to save? Yes. So now if I need to show edit feature, label features, if I click on label features, I have Basra, the name. If you need to change that, go for properties, go to the labels. From the labels you can make it bigger, highlight it, make it the size is bigger, or you can change not the name, you can put the shape length, the shape area. If you need the shape area, you'll have the area. If you can put the shape, the length, you have the length. If we need the names, you go select the name, apply, and you can see whatever you apply in here. So this is the first method how to extract. So the second method, you can use the attribute table. You go for your open attribute table. For example, you select this polygon number 2, this area. After you select from your attribute table, go for the map, click on the map, same data, export data, you check. Now he give you export output number 2, save. Okay, you want to extract? Yes. Now we have another one. So this is the shapefile extracted for another province. And also we have the third way to do that. The third way to do that is by when you select, for example, you go for here, select by polygon, you select this part, and then you go back to the original map. You go for selection. From selection, you create layers from selected features. Click on that, and now you have this Iraq selection. So it's already take the part that you need to extract, and then you can go do the same for data, export data, and now he'll give you 3, export data 3, save, and OK, and now you will have this exported bar. So this is the 3 way how to export your data, how to extract the part from your shapefile, and how you manipulate add field to your attribute table. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.